What's up, Baldy? What are you doing here? Gonna collect debts again?
Yo, check this. This dude's lost it. They call him Waffle, and now he's trying to start his own hustle in our hood.
Oh, nice. Should we grab a gun?
Nah, the plan's simple. The guy's a newbie. No problems. Get in the ride. Yo, we playing buyers, then just follow the usual game like always.
Cool. If needed, I'll improvise.
Every route just a trap, a mirage. All that remains I'm without signal. I'm without a path.
Yo, why you late? You think
Whoa, easy.
the goods are in the car, but you ain't gonna see them.
Hands on your head! Face down! You're under arrest!
Looks like the plan's gone to shit. Grab the gun. Blast him. Don't hold back. Hey, the goods are here for real. Get in the car. Let's go. When I find out who set us up, they're dead.
So what? No problems, huh? Simple plan? We damn near got caught.
Shake off the tail. Shoot the tires and the windshield. Let's go! Now's the time to improvise, bro. Drive straight, damn it, so I can aim. Forget aiming, just blast away. Yes, this is fire. Nice job, bro. Whew, now we need to lay low. I think I know a spot.